This is my first time really trying to get into metalworking and my first time using an angle grinder. So I'm kind of coming up with on the go solutions for things that in woodwork are easy, like marking. Using a pencil in woodwork just works. But now with metalworking, you can't really see the markings on the metal. So I've creatively, I think, chosen to use some masking tape instead to pretty much mark the lengths of these mild steel square tubings. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, today's episode is really just about getting into becoming comfortable with metalworking and using an angle grinder. I was gifted this Bosch cordless angle grinder. It's the GWS 18V. It's a brushless angle grinder, very lightweight, and it gets the job done. Also packs just as much power as the 800-watt variant of this. So this is the system that we're going to be working with today. It is the Bell Ice Insta Connect system. This is basically a no-weld solution to connecting metal pieces together, specifically 25 millimeter square tubing that you would find at any hardware store. So right now I'm just pretty much practicing how to cut on an angle grinder and also pretty much trying to see what it would be like to put together a metal project using these Bell Ice Insta Connects. Are they just a gimmick or do they really work? This is what I was exploring in this video. Enjoy! Yeah, one of the things I really became aware of was that a 10 millimeter spanner was not enough. I needed something to also hold it. I was using my fingers here to sort of create some sort of friction so that I can be able to unfasten that nut. But perhaps having another 10 millimeter spanner would have helped, or some sort of, I don't know, wrench of sorts. But yeah, I'm keeping that in mind for the next time. I mean, it's not perfect. There are some workarounds that you have to do. Sometimes you have to unclamp the entire connector in order to sort of figure out how the tubing lays inside of it. But for a cheap galvanized no welding solution, I still think that nothing beats this. Right now, this is the best bang to buck solution until I learn how to weld. Well, folks, that's it from this episode of the SIG Lab. See you next time. Please remember to like and subscribe.